Using the MLA Bibliography Database. The MLA International Bibliography Database is run by a company called EBSCO. EBSCO runs many different databases that the MTC library subscribes to. The MLA Bibliography Database is specific to articles about literature, language, film, and folklore. If you click on the searching link above the search bar, you may choose other EBSCO databases that you may search at the same time, such as Literary Reference Source, another good database for literature searches, and Academic Search Premier, a general database that has some good literature resources. Just check the databases you wish to search and click Select. I recommend doing an advanced search, as this will allow you to search by both author and title, and the Boolean AND is already set. For example, we may type William Bradford in the first search field and of Plymouth Plantation in the second. The Boolean AND is already set, so we'll be searching for sources that reference both William Bradford and his work of Plymouth Plantation. Before clicking search, you'll want to click on the limiter for full text to ensure that you will get full articles to read and not just an abstract. And as you will need to use scholarly peer-reviewed sources in your essay, check the box for peer-reviewed as well. Then click on Search. This search results in 10 to 15 academic journal articles written about Bradford's of Plymouth Plantation. If you forgot to limit to full text or peer-reviewed before clicking search, you may do so afterwards by clicking the limiters under the search box. If you click on All Filters, you will find other limiters such as publication date, databases, source types, and subject terms that you may use to further refine your search. For each source listed, you will find the title, the publication information, subject terms, and access options. If you find a source without access options, this means that the article is not in this database. However, there may be a link to another database or on the web where the full text article may be found. When you click on the title of an article, it will take you to a page that has information about the source. The title of the article, the author or authors, the journal it was published in, the publication date, volume and issue number, and pages. There's also a brief abstract, which is a summary of the source that will let you know whether or not the source is worth reading. Access options will let you know if you may access the source as an online HTML document or as a PDF. The PDF version is preferred for you to use because it provides a copy of the article complete with page numbers you may cite in your essay. Page numbers are absent from the HTML version. The article reader, you can download the article and save it to your hard drive for easy access, or you can print it out if you prefer a hard copy. If you click on Share, you can save it to your Google Drive or OneDrive, create a permalink to the article, or email the article to yourself. The citation tool provides citations in various styles. You will want to use MLA 9th edition. These citations are largely correct for journal articles, although you may want to check them to make sure there are no formatting problems, such as the author or title in all caps, and also that there's the correct page numbers. You may also find these tools on the main record page for the source. And that is how you search the MLA bibliography and other EBSCO databases.